and welcome to the session on female taper turning by taper turning attachment. Let us begin with the session.
Let us now look at the objectives of this session. At the end of the session, you will be able to produce female taper by taper turning attachment method, knurl the surface, perform chamfering operation. The tools required to conduct this exercise are steel rule, outside calipers, facing tool, center drill, chamfering tool, taper turning attachment, knurling tool, drill bits, drill chuck, parting tool, boring tool, vernier bevel protractor, and vernier calipers. In a lathe machine, taper turning means to produce a conical surface by the gradual reduction in diameter from a cylindrical job. The taper can be external or internal. If the workpiece is tapered outside, it is an outer taper or male taper or external taper. If it is tapered inward, it is an internal taper or female taper. Let us now learn the sequence to produce internal taper by using taper turning attachment. Check the size of the raw material. Hold the job in a 3-jaw chuck. Set the tool to correct center height. Face one end of the job. From the faced end, perform turning operation to a length of 45 mm to obtain a diameter of 44.75 mm. Make a center drill on the faced end. Set the knurling tool, diamond cut, to correct center height. Knurl the job to a length of 40 mm. Drill pilot hole of 10 mm diameter. Enlarge the hole to diameter 16 mm by drilling. Chamfer to 2 mm by 45 degrees. Set the parting tool to a center height and cut off to a length of 40 mm. Hold the knurled job and face the parted end to maintain a length of 37.5 mm. Chamfer this end to 2 mm by 45 degrees. Set an angle of 5 degrees 45 inches on the taper turning attachment. Set the boring tool to the correct center height. Turn taper and obtain the internal taper by providing the feed for a length of 37.5 mm. The male taper produced by taper turning attachment in the previous exercise should be used to match the male and female tapers. Check the taper angle on the male taper and the female taper using vernier bevel protractor. Match the internal and external taper. To recap, we have learned to produce female taper by taper turning attachment method. Knurl the surface. Perform chamfering operation.
So that's all about checking the female taper turning by taper turning attachment. See you in the next session.